Hey man, Mexico looks really weird this time of year, eh? Snowcat, where's the Super Duke? Snowcat, you need to bring your motorcycle boots. I get so many questions where the Super Duke is. So many people just don't watch the videos because YouTube doesn't show videos even if you're subscribed. Apparently, yes, it's true. We found that out from a blog post recently. So if you're subscribed, put the notification bell on and all that crap. I can't believe I'm saying that. In all the years I do YouTube, I vowed to never say, subscribe to my channel, press the like button, because you shouldn't have to. If you want to subscribe and like my video, go for it. If you don't, don't. I hate begging for stuff. Anyways, the bike is right here, everyone. I still have it. It's just leaking fork seals, leaking rear shocks, so I'm pulling it all apart. Don't mind my ghetto jack. I can't use my rear stand to get the shock out, so this is my solution, and it's working. So my buddy Calvin simply has too many vehicles at his house, so he stores a couple at mine from time to time, and as a reward I get to drive them, ride them. Oh, some beautiful mountains to start off this ride. The first big bike ride of 2018. Everything's melting. We got the homie Kelvin on his R1. The rear tire's pretty much done, so he's got a couple more tanks left probably, I'd say, that he needs to get new tires for that guy. How many K now though? 4,000, not bad for the stock tires. Yeah, 4,200 kilometers you just said, so yeah, not bad for the stock tires. Those things are super, super soft. The last time you guys saw this bike was when we're down in California a couple months ago. Let's get my Super Duke back together now, so lots of bikes out today, that is for sure. Yeah, take it easy with the snakes. The only thing is, don't forget to kiss the mirror. Put your head in the right position. Got my motherfucking real bike! It wouldn't be a snowcat video without a Harley in it. That is a really wide tire. That's gotta be a, what, 300? Something crazy like that? Brand new tires. Let's see how they feel. Oh. They're definitely not warm. Touring tire will take some time to warm up. But they don't feel bad. They don't feel bad at all. These are the new, what are they, Calvin? What tires are on this bike? Metzler Road Tech 01. So my first time ever riding on a Metzler tire, so it's kind of cool. I say tires are very personable. I have my tire choices down pat, but it's always nice to try new tires, I think. Your legs are tired from holding your fat ass up. Oh man, we need to do a well, let this car go. We need to do a dual vlog one of these days, so people can get your Chinese humor. Yeah, how good it feels. It would be sore right now. I just don't feel it. I don't feel it. Oh my god, look at this. Good old Calgary drivers, back at it again. You are retarded. This guy's just dropping rocks everywhere. I hurt my knee. Look at that. The cyclist is in the road, but there's a dedicated bicycle path for them right there. That annoys me so much, man. Because this is for walking, that's for bicycles, and this is for cars. But cyclists don't care, man. And this guy's blowing all the shit onto the road. For people like us, man, that's not fun. Oh, she's texting, that's why. Put down your phone. Yeah. She's just texting like this. I saw her doing 20 under and there's like 900 space between the RX-8. I can't stand the phone thing. I really can't, man. And you could tell too, because they're like this. people, please.